Mastering correlative conjunctions. Spot the error, make it perfect. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of correlative conjunctions. This type of conjunction is a key tool to make your English sentences more balanced and connected. But, it can sometimes be a bit tricky to use correctly. So, let's work on identifying and correcting errors involving correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together to coordinate words, phrases, or clauses. The most common ones include either, neither, both and, not only but also, and whether. It's crucial to use these pairs correctly to maintain balance in your sentences. Now, what are the common errors with these conjunction pairs? Typically, they come in two flavors: mispairing and parallelism errors. Mispairing is when we incorrectly match up our correlative conjunctions, like saying either, while parallelism errors happen when the sentence structure doesn't match on either side of the conjunction. For example, not only she is smart, but also hardworking. It's time to put what we've learned into practice. I'll present you with sentences containing errors involving correlative conjunctions, and your task will be to spot the mistake and correct it. Exercise 1. Either I will go to the movies, nor I will stay at home. Spot the error? That's right, it's a mispairing. The correct sentence should be, either I will go to the movies, or I will stay at home. Exercise 2. Both she likes to play tennis and reading books. Here, we've got a parallelism issue. The corrected sentence is, both she likes to play tennis and she likes to read books. We'll go through more exercises like this, practicing until you feel confident in identifying and correcting these errors. That's it for today's lesson on correlative conjunctions. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these tricky pairs. Keep practicing the exercises, and soon, you'll be using correlative conjunctions like a pro. I hope this video was helpful to you, and stay tuned for more English grammar insights in our upcoming lessons. Happy learning!